Update on the garden, March 17th. What do you think, Kylo? Alright, those were 72 San Marzano tomatoes. Now, not all of them are sprouting. Let's turn it around a little bit. But I only need probably about 60, so that's great. The Sun Gold, the beef steak, the speckled tomatoes, onions, white and red begonias, and these are determinate, so they'll stay a certain height. I've got a fan going right now in the back. And some indeterminate tomatoes, San Marzano, just some celery I started there, and some rosemary. I'm gonna have to clean that off a bit. Some onions, and some jalapenos, and some peppers. I've got a few sets of onions. I'm going to start a few here and then start some outside, and some onions. Some more peppers. Some marigolds, coleus, geraniums, some basil I'll need when I do my tomato sauce. Some 3 types of cabbage that are there, and some flat leaf parsley. My straw flowers, they've started, they're not too bad. 2 trays of them, and peppers at the corner there. Some asparagus I've never tried, we'll try that one, and some onions. And I'll do some more seeds today.